Communicating, especially with the media in a crisis, is certainly a top priority for all of us. We must be prepared with effective strategies, proven platforms, and strong connections to the media when the crisis hits.
Here in the capital area, we have emergency situations regularly, and government communicators' most important role is connecting with the media, because that's the best way to distribute information in a crisis. So the goal of today's event was to bring the members of the media who make decisions and the communicators who are providing that information together to have a discussion and a dialogue on how to improve and strengthen the relationship. We've brought together a combination of media as well as government communicators to present to the group. One of the highlights was DC Police Chief Kathy Lanier. She spoke about working with the media in a crisis.
We had a carjacking and a kidnapping case a few years ago, and it was about 4:30 in the afternoon, and there was a Metro Access van involved, and they had kidnapped this elderly person in this carjacking that was still in this Metro Access van. So I said, look, it's rush hour. Everybody's listening to WTOP. Let me call on WTOP and get on the air and give this lookout. And sure enough, U.S. Park police officer on the way home was listening to WTOP and heard that lookout. So you got to know what your public, what source they follow, and you have to be a regular source, feed to that source.
We also have a media panel. These are editors and managing editors that make decisions in the newsroom. They're going to be talking with the PIOs today. We had almost 150 people register for the event, which is a great turnout in a busy area where people don't get a chance to get away from the office very much. The goal is for these folks to walk away with strategies and actual tools that they can take back to their jurisdictions that they can use that will benefit the community.